My lover is radiant and ruddy, outstanding among 10,000. His head is purest gold, his hair is wavy, and black like a raven. His eyes are like doves, by the water streams washed in milk, mounted like jewels. His cheeks are like beds of spice, yielding perfume. His lips are like lilies dripping with myrrh. His arms are rods of gold, set with crystallite. His body is like polished ivory, decorated with sapphires. His legs are pillars of marble, set on pieces of pure gold.
Pythagoras!
May the wine go straight to my lover, flowing gently over lips and teeth. I belong to my lover, and his desire is for me. Come, my lover, let us go to the countryside. Let us spend the night in the village. Let us go early to the vineyards to see if the vines have budded, if the blossoms have opened, and if the pomegranates are in bloom. There I will give you my love. The mandrakes sent out their fragrance, and the doors are every delicacy, both new and old, that I have stored up for you, my lover.
My dove, in the clefts of the rock, in the hiding places on the mountainside, show me your face. Let me hear your voice, for your voice is sweet, and your face is lovely. Catch for us the foxes, the little foxes, that ruin the vineyards, our vineyards that are in bloom. Show me your face.
Who is this? Coming up from the desert like a column of smoke, perfumed with myrrh, and incense made from the spices of the merchant. Look! It's Solomon's carriage, escorted by 60 warriors, the noblest of Israel, all of them with swords, all experienced in battle, each with his sword at his side, preparing for the terrors of night. King Solomon made for himself the carriage. He made it with wood from Lebanon. My lover is mine, and I am his. He browses among the lilies, until the day breaks and the shadows flee. Turn, my lover, and be like a gazelle or a young stag on the rugged hills.
How beautiful are your sandaled feet, O prince's daughter! Your graceful legs are like jewels, the work of a craftsman's hands. Your navel is a rounded goblet that never lacks splendid wine. Your waist is a mound of wheat encircled by lilies. Your breasts are like two fawns, twins of gazelle. Your neck is like an ivory tower. Your eyes are the pools of Heshbon, by the gate of Bath-Reben. Your nose is like the tower of Lebanon, looking toward Damascus. Your head crowns you like Mount Carmel. Your hair is like royal tapestry. The king is held captive by its tresses. How beautiful you are, and how pleasing, O love, with your delights. Your stature is like that of a palm, and your breasts like the clusters of fruit. I said, I will climb the palm tree. I will take hold of its fruit. May your breasts be like the clusters of the vine, the fragrance of your breath like apples, and your mouth like the best wine.
Thank you. Oh, that's so cute.
Like a lily among thorns is my darling among the maidens.
What?
the young men. I delight to sit in his shade, and his fruit is sweet to my taste. He has taken me to a banquet hall, and his banner over me is love. All night long on my bed, I looked for the one my heart loves. I looked for him, but did not find him. I will get up now and go about the city, through its streets and squares. I will search for the one my heart loves. So I looked for him, but did not find him. The watchmen found me as they made rounds in the city. They beat me. They bruised me. They took away my cloak. Those watchmen of the walls, oh daughters of Jerusalem, I charge you, if you find my lover, what will you tell him? Tell him I am faint with love.
Ja! Shua! Shia! Smack!
Get him, lover. Help me up.
Oh!
His left arm is under my head, and his right arm embraces me.
How beautiful you are, my darling. Oh, how beautiful. Your eyes are doves.